Tired of feeling stuck at your desk? Try chair yoga. Start by gently rolling the wrists. Then on our inhale, place knuckles together like we're fist bumping ourselves. Exhale, bring our fists forward, noticing the stretch, moving with our breath. Next, straighten the spine, releasing the shoulders down. Inhale, arching the back into seated cow, gazing up. Exhale, rounding the spine into seated cat, shining the heart inward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to opposite thigh in our seated twist, focusing on the middle and upper back. Inhale and exhale to the other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right palm to opposite thigh or chair, and left arm up and over, seated side stretch. Inhale and exhale to the other side. For figure 4, plant the left foot on the ground, bring our right ankle across our knee or thigh. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, keeping a long spine, maybe lean forward for a stretch. Exhale, release, and take other side. Finally, take a gentle neck stretch, guiding the ear to the shoulder, remembering to breathe. Finish off with gentle neck rolls in each direction.